Welcome to Global Steel Company, the leader in the heavy steel fabrication industrial market. Global Steel Company has become the synonym of trust and strength. GSC is the comprehensive fabricator of railway bridges and major steel segments with a wide range of applications. Global Steel Company started in 2009 as a workshop for manufacturing and supplying fabricated structures. GSC has grown into the vibrant heavy steel manufacturing company developing India's best railway bridges and pre-engineered buildings. GSC has the process to fabricate and produce 20,000 metric ton of steel per annum, at our sprawling 60,000 SFT floor space. Our highly skilled fabricators and design engineers work in synchrony to manufacture the supreme steel structure. We combine each engineering drawing line into a visionary steel structure. Our commitment to excellence has produced unmatched quality products, coupled with speed, safety, environmentally friendly, economical, and sustainable structures. The plant is equipped with state-of-the-art fabricating machinery and an efficient workforce.
This is one of the cutting machines. We have such 3 cutting machines, 2 from Mrs. Germany, and one is plate processor. This is plate processor, which means it does drilling and cutting all together. This is one of the most important and critical machine, which is called beamline welding machine. This is a European machine. This is the latest technology available in the world right now. It can make an eye girder with 14 mm fillet at one go. It has a special feature of locking the beam. That means the flanges and grabs are locked with 400 psi pressure, so that during welding there is no warpage. The girder comes as 90-degree straight. It can weld up to 100 to 125 metric ton eye girders every day. This is one of the drilling machines. We have such 2 drilling machines basically in the factory. Software is being transferred to the CNC drilling machine's computer. And as per that reference, it keeps on drilling the machine automatically. There are 2 sets of spindles with cuts simultaneously. We can do almost around 5 to 10,000 holes per day by these 2 machines.
GSC specializes in the fabrication and erection of composite steel girders for road over bridges and road under bridges, as per specifications set by the Indian Railways. The rapid rate of road and railways development in recent years has resulted in a massive demand for bridges. By use of steel girders saves an enormous amount of time, effort, and resources for building quality bridges. GSC steel fabrication has great structural strength for durability and resistance. Automotive fabrication machines reduce the cost of production, allowing us to focus more on design and testing for greater standardization and precision. Provide end-to-end construction solutions by leveraging our vast network of resources, surpassing customer expectations using innovation, design, versatility, technology, and expertise. Global Steel Company constructs custom-made pre-engineered buildings that are very easy to set up, expand, modify, and transport. Our aesthetically designed pre-engineered buildings offer environment-friendly, sustainable and cost-effective solutions. Our unique techniques employed during the fabrication help pre-engineered buildings to be 30% lighter than conventional steel products. The steel fabrication in GSC is done as per international standards and at 6 Sigma precision.